some things that are really, really simple to can and don't typically take a lot of effort is whole fruit. Now, if it's whole fruit, you do have to peel. So, like, we used to can a lot of peaches. You have to peel the peaches, but that's pretty simple to do. You can just do, like, a little blanching method where you put them in hot water and put them in an ice bucket or ice bath, and then they peel pretty easy.
And a peeler will also, with time, Now, with all of these, it's either half pint, or quart. You're not... That's about the size in which you don't can anything in a half gallon.
No, half gallon. The only thing you can can is grape juice and apple juice.
I believe so.
Yeah. So let's just stick here.
The salsa.
And so I want to talk about things that are simpler to can. So whole fruit is one, or like fruit chunks, whatever, and that includes also tomatoes. So if you're trying to do like stewed tomatoes, pretty simple. Again, it's just like the peeling. It doesn't require a lot of cooking process. This is the stuff that you can just can. I don't want to say quickly, but it's a little bit less labor intensive than other things. But
with tomatoes, you got to add some lemon juice or acidity to that.
Yeah, but that's not like difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
Talking about the process here.
Right, yeah.
And then anything pickled, but cucumber pickles, for the most part, pretty simple. You just usually cook it a little bit, add the vinegar, whatever spices, the brine, including like pickled peppers, we did pickled Swiss chard.
Swiss chard stems.
That was weird.
You can do pickled asparagus. Yeah. You can do pickled zucchini. You can do dilly beans. You can do corn salsa.
Yeah, so we'll get to salsa. Yeah. But anything pickled, that is pretty simple for the most part. But pickled cucumbers, it's not that it's complicated, but you have to have the right cucumbers. You need to work very quickly, otherwise they can turn mushy.
The right cucumbers, meaning that the title encapsulates pickling cucumbers, not market more or any other type of variety. Pickling cucumbers, because they are a more denser material in the cucumber itself to be able to prolong the crispness in the jar during the heat.
Right, and that's why you want to work quickly, because you don't want to overcook them, because that's what makes them mushy. Nobody likes mushy cucumbers.